Okay, so we are going to put in a blinker switch, 2009 Chevy Malibu. Underneath there's going to be 3 bolts we're going to have to take out because we're going to pop that out. I believe they're 7mm. So we're going to get to that right now and we'll come back. Pretty easy process. It's a do-it-yourselfer for sure. Okay, so yes, they were 7mm bolts, 3 of them. I just did it from sitting right in the driver's seat, just put it in and took them out. Now we're going to pry this down and take this off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Very simple process here, but I'll be right back. Okay, so really what you want to do, pull this down before you do it, and then you're able to get your fingers in both sides and pull them apart. You got this little clip here that's a bit of a pain, so try to push that in as you pull apart, and then it pops right out. So pretty simple. All right, so after you get these plastic pieces out of the way, just slide them a little out of the way. I'm hoping we're going to be able to get this not hit this plastic piece, pulling it out. If so, we're going to have to pop this off, which there's no screws in that. You're going to have to pop this out and this out, but we might be able to get this done. So got tabs here, right here, that have to be pushed down, and a tab on the bottom here that needs to be pushed up. And then 2 electrical connectors back here, which I'm gonna have to pop this little black piece out. Anyway, I'll do that when I have my hands free. And then both should just push from the side and pop right out. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so the first plug, got that out. That it was a little black tab, and then this one you just push on the white plastic piece here at the end, and that pops out. So then we're good, and then I pop both of these tabs, top and bottom, and then we're gonna try to jimmy this thing out of here without taking the plastic off. I'm gonna try to do it here, but it's not looking great. Yeah, I got it out, but probably not the greatest way to do this, just so you know. So I'm gonna need both hands to get it out of here. Probably should take these off, but if you're going to, these will actually just pop out. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Okay, so you don't need to take those plastic things out. I just slid this thing right in. It actually slid in. You just had to get it past this little piece of plastic. I did scratch it a tiny bit, but you could do this pretty simple. You don't have to mess around, and then slid it all the way in, locked in place. Just need to plug this in. Very simple process. Simple. Clipped it all in. Now I'm putting the screws in right now, and we're good to go. I gotta push that up a little bit more to clip all the way in, but very simple